Well, it's Thursday, and I just got back from Ocean County, New Jersey, Toms River, New Jersey, where I represent a client for a very serious charge, a crime of the second degree in New Jersey, leaving the scene of an accident involving a death. An unfortunate person allegedly was killed in this accident, and we now represent an individual who the state believes was involved in that incident. It's important to understand that with regard to this particular charge, the state doesn't have to establish that our client even caused the death of this individual. The state just needs to establish beyond a reasonable doubt that there was an accident, and as a result of that accident, someone died, and that our client left the scene of that accident. So it's a very unique charge, and it brings up an important point that if you are charged with a crime, whether it be in New Jersey or Pennsylvania, it's very important that you understand the elements of the offense that the Commonwealth, in the case of Pennsylvania, or the state, in the case of New Jersey, have to establish beyond a reasonable doubt. And that's something that should be discussed with your lawyer during that initial consultation and any follow-up consultations that you may have, whether it be on the phone or in person, in addition to obviously pretrial motions like motions to suppress evidence, habeas motions, things of that nature. All that should be discussed with your attorney. But it's important that you understand the elements, especially if the plan necessarily is not to go to trial and you plan on working something out with either the state or the Commonwealth with regards to either a negotiated plea or an open plea before the judge. If you're going to go in that direction, obviously you have to understand, especially if it's an open plea where there's no plea bargain with the prosecution, the judge's sentencing philosophy, and the sentencing guidelines, all of which are very important. So you have to look at a person's prior criminal history and determine whether or not that is a wise decision. So if you have questions about a criminal charge in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, in Pennsylvania, 215-755-9000, in New Jersey, 856-793-7429, the website gambonelaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. We answer our calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It has been a busy week. Tomorrow, I am back in Ocean County, not too far from our office in Moorestown, New Jersey. But once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000. In New Jersey, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Hope you're having a great Wednesday afternoon, and I will talk to you all soon.